So hi all, welcome to Pankuri and this is me Sonika and I hope you all are doing fine. So for today we're going to be creating a video where I'll be talking to you about my most favorite makeup tricks and hacks which I use in order to make my eyes look a lot more bigger. This is perfect to use in case you feel that you're not looking extremely wide awake. So these are perfect hassle-free makeup tips and tricks which I'll be teaching you that you can do with your makeup that you have, which just makes it perfect to make your eyes look a lot more wider and a lot more awake. I'll be showing you these as my top 6 makeup hacks to make your eyes look a lot more bigger. So let's start off. So for hack number 1, we're going to start off with the eyebrows. So when you see the arch of the eyebrow is a lot more angled than the other eye, it automatically creates an illusion like your eye is a lot more lifted, which makes your eyes look a lot more open proportionally. So I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil and raise up the arch of my eyes. So now that we're done with hack number 1 and moving on to hack number 2, which is the most overlooked one, and that is concealing. It's important that you make sure that you conceal your eyes properly just to avoid any dark circles from showing through. So adding a little bit of concealer on your under eyes as well as on the inner parts of your eyes makes your eyes look a lot more open. As you can see, automatically the inner parts of my eyes look a lot more cleaner than the other eye, which helps to make the eye look a little more wider. So moving on to hack number 3, we're going to talk about how eyeshadow is super essential in this trick. So we're going to use lighter tones of eyeshadow to highlight a certain area and deeper tones to contour another area. This would help to throw light on certain parts of your eyes, which helps to make your eyes look a lot more wider. So coming to the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply the color higher than the crease, which helps to make your eyes look like it has more height to it. So when you fake a crease which is a little more higher, it just helps to make your eyes look a little more wider. Hence, I'm applying my eyeshadow slightly higher than my natural crease. So as you go along with eyeshadow, make sure that you pull it out slightly and then you raise it above the natural crease. So now that I've shown you the right technique of doing it, let me show you what we commonly do, which is to apply the color along the crease. So this is the most mistake that we do, and we keep the color on the lid. And as this is a deeper shade of brown, automatically this contours that area of the eye, which makes your eyes look a lot more smaller. So once you're done contouring your eyes, let's move on to the next hack, which is highlighting. So I'm going to use a pale shade and apply it all over my lid. So once you're done applying the pale shade, take a little bit more along the crease too. So as you can see, this eye is not highlighted, whereas this eye is highlighted on the entire lid, which just makes your eyes look a lot more open. So now that we've added a matte highlighter all across the lid, let's add a pop of shimmer in the inner corner too. So moving on to hack number 5, we're going to do an eyeliner. So I'm just going to do a regular wing liner on this side. So as you can see on this side, the wing takes up a lot of space on the lid and almost covers the entire lid, which makes the eyes look extremely small. So on this side, we're just going to work on lengthening the eye rather than taking up space in the vertical direction. So as you can see, the wing liner made a lot of difference coming to the size of the eyes. So coming to last but not the least, which is my most favorite hack, which is using a kohl pencil. So when you use a black kohl pencil, it instantly closes your eyes, making your eyes look a lot more smaller. So I'm going to use a lighter shade of kohl pencil here. So I hope you found these tips were super helpful to include in your day-to-day makeup routine, and you can automatically see that your eyes look a lot more bigger and a lot more wider and awake. And so I hope that this helps you out, and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for some more videos. Until next time, bye.